Welcome everyone. This is Ndalo Media and I'm your host Omkhulu Gwabini. Sibuyile-ke namhlanje ngani zakwethu sibuyile nenye episode. This is gonna be our episode our fifth episode. So yeah. Laba sebelayikhile basubscriber ngiyabonga kakhulu ngokuthi nikhombise isupport. Lokho kuyasikhuthaza umsebenzi esiwenzayo. Nikhumbule ngani zakwethu ukuthi bengiloke ngikuveza ukuthi kunabantu abangi-advise-ayo ngasemuva, abantu asebekhulile ngokwakamoya, asebekhulile nangokomkhuleko, okuyibona-ke abathi uma bengiqeqesha bengikhulisa kule ndlela, kwaze kwafika isikhathi sokuthi bathi no, I think izinto esengiqeqeshwe kuzona i-public isi-ready ukuthi enene izi-receive. So ngibonga kakhulu-ke nakuleyo team yami ekhona engisapothayo.